Ireland is a travel destination like no other. From the rich history to the incredible natural beauty, Ireland beckons the adventure lover's heart to come take in all it has to offer. Number 10. The Skellig Island. These islands are located on the southwestern coast of Ireland in County Kerry. More traditional lifestyle can be seen here along the coast near the Skellig Islands. These islands are actually currently uninhabited and difficult to get to, but it offers adventure seekers a truly unique experience while on the Emerald Isle. These islands are famous as ancient monasteries that helped to evade conquering forces throughout Ireland's history. In recent times, these beautiful and unique islands have been used in movies such as The Force Awakens and The Last Jedi. Visitors here will enjoy knowing that they have experienced something truly unique and off the beaten path. Make plans early if you're going to visit, as these islands are difficult to get to and require reservations months in advance. Number 9. The Rock of Cashel. The Rock of Cashel is centrally located in the southern part of Ireland in the town of Cashel in County Tipperary. This ancient fortress is Ireland's most visited heritage site and is sure to inspire awe by anyone wishing to explore the depths of Ireland's history. In ancient times, the Cashel was a heavily fortified fortress which protected the fertile lands of the Munster province. In fact, the word Cashel itself comes from the Irish word Cashel, meaning a strong fortress. In the mythology surrounding this structure, it is said that the stones upon which it was built were placed there during the banishment of Satan by St. Patrick at the Devil's Bit over 20 miles away. It is rumored that the explosive nature of Satan's expulsion was so powerful that the stones flew through the air, landed at the site now known as the Rock of Cashel. In keeping with Irish legend, St. Patrick himself was said to convert King Angus to Christianity in 432 AD, right here on the site known as the Rock of Cashel. Number 8. Wicklow Mountains. These majestic mountains are located just south of Dublin and offer nature lovers a unique glance into the mystical realms of the Irish countryside. It covers over 20,000 hectares of some of the most beautiful nature on the island. It is the largest of Ireland's 6 national parks and hosts over 1 million visitors annually. The wide open vistas allow visitors to truly enjoy one of Ireland's most spectacular forest plantations. Number 7. The Aran Islands. Located off the west coast of Ireland near Galway Bay, these islands have prehistoric forts as well as early Christian structures that one can dive into. It can be viewed from the coast, or one can travel to the islands and truly immerse themselves into the ancient past of the area. Number 6. Dublin Castle. Experience over 800 years of history in the ancient castle nestled in the heart of Dublin. This castle holds the secret of Ireland and how the nobles were able to wield their power throughout the land. The site was built upon an ancient Viking encampment as a means to protect Dublin and its surrounding area from invading forces. The Gunner's Tower is one of the few remaining original structures which has survived throughout the ages. While visiting, one should also explore the mystical gardens kept within its walls. Here you will find beautiful sculpted structures nestled amongst the manicured landscape. Number 5. The Book of Kells. This ancient Latin text was developed across the British Isles by dedicated monks driven to preserve the Christian heritage. Viking raiders pillaged Ireland throughout its history, and it is unknown how this Book of Kells was able to survive such relentless sackings of the island. Lucky for modern visitors, this mysterious text can be viewed at Dublin's Trinity College. Number 4. The Ring of Kerry. The Ring of Kerry is a rugged natural landscape that encompasses the southwestern part of the island in County Kerry. The rolling green hills and sparkling lakes makes this destination a favorite among visitors. While visiting through this area, make sure to stop in Portmagee, where visitors can take a trip out to the Skellig Islands. Number 3. Blarney Castle. Many visitors claim this to be a must-see attraction of the Emerald Isle. Dating back to 1446, this castle houses the famous Blarney Stone. Rumor has it, if you climb the 10 stories to the top and then hang upside down to kiss the stone, you will be bestowed with the gift of gab. Number 2. Guinness Storehouse. The Guinness Storehouse should be on every visitor's list to see on the Emerald Isle. Here you can enjoy the world-famous Guinness Stout, known far and wide as the pint of choice for Irish revelers. Make sure to check out the Guinness archives as well to see if you have any ancestors who may have participated in the history of Guinness and its legendary contributions to the world. Number 1. The Cliffs of Moher. The Cliffs of Moher are an incredible natural landscape where visitors can view the legendary site, which has been featured in many films such as Harry Potter and The Princess Bride. The natural beauty of this awe-inspiring place will leave visitors feeling amazed at the depth these structures have to offer. Travel tips. Number 1. Money. It's important to know that the Republic of Ireland is a part of the European Union and uses the euro as legal tender. Northern Ireland is actually a province of the United Kingdom, and therefore if you do visit there, you will need to use British pounds as a form of legal tender. Number 2. Driving. If you plan to rent a car here, please note that driving is done on the left side of the road. This is not only important for travels across the island, but also be especially careful in cities where crossing streets, as the cars will come from the opposite direction from most other countries. So make sure to always look both ways before crossing the street. Number 3. Tourist attractions. This probably goes without saying, but if you go to any of the heavily visited attractions such as the Cliffs of Moher or Guinness Storehouse, make plans to go as early as possible, as these attractions fill up very quickly and by noon are usually overflowing with visitors. For the Cliffs of Moher, arrive before 8:30 a.m. Number 4. Electricity. For anyone traveling to the island, it is important to know that the electrical outlets utilize a Type G plug and run at 50 Hz with a voltage of 230. Make sure you have an adapter that converts the voltage and frequency for your devices. These are hard to find in the countryside, so make sure you have one before you make a trek across the island. Number 5. Weather. It is said you can experience all 4 seasons in one day in Ireland, so be prepared for vastly changing weather. Bring rainproof jackets and umbrellas, sweaters, an extra pair of trekking shoes, and comfortable boots. Plenty of warm clothes, even in the summer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.